Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my golden circle granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To start row 1, we're going to be making a circle that's going to turn into our granny square. I have a playlist with a bunch of different tutorials on how to make circles. I will have that listed down below. I'm going to be using these 4 chains to make my circle. So this chain farthest away from my hook is going to be the center, and these 3 chains are going to just be 3 chains for right now. Once you have your circle, you're going to make 3 chains. Then into your circle space, you're going to make 12 double crochet. So I'm going to make 12 double crochet into the chain farthest away from my hook. Once you have your 12 double crochet made into your circle space, you're going to slip stitch into the first chains that you made in this row to complete row 1. To start row 2, you will bring in any new color that you want to attach. You'll make a slip knot and you'll bring it through any previous stitch to start this row. Then you will make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on our last row, we had 12 double crochet. We're going to want the same count for this row. These 5 chains count as 1 double crochet. These 3 chains count as the double crochet. Then these 2 chains are just 2 chains. So into our next stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1 and 2, into this next stitch, make a double crochet. You would now start repeating this around. You're going to make 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch until you reach the chains that you made at the beginning of this row. Once you're back around to those chains that you made at the beginning of this row, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete row 2. You should have 12 double crochet all the way around and 12 chain 2 spaces going forward. To start row 3, bring in your new color and you're going to attach it to any previous chain 2 space and make 3 chains. These 3 chains are going to count as a double crochet. Into the same chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet next to those chains. So altogether, that's going to count as 3 double crochet. You're going to make a chain to skip a stitch, and then we're going to be working into this next chain 2 space. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Now we're going to start repeating from here. Make a chain, skip to the next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. Make a chain, skip to the next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet. You're now going to start repeating these steps. Make a chain, skip to the next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet into that space until you reach the chains that you made in this row. When you get back around to the chains you made at the beginning of this row, you're going to slip stitch into them to complete row 3. So for this row, you're going to have 12 blocks of 3 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces around. To start row 4, bring in your new color, attach it to any previous chain 1 space, and make 4 chains. With these 4 chains, one of them will count as a single crochet, and then the other 3 are just 3 chains. You're going to skip 3 stitches to this next chain 1 space, and into that space you're going to make a single crochet. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, skip 3 stitches into this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches into this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. You're now going to start repeating this sequence. Make 3 chains to skip 3 stitches, and then into this chain 1 space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet. And you're going to start repeating that until you reach the chains you made at the beginning of your row. When you reach the chains at the beginning of this row, you're going to slip stitch into them to complete row 4. You should have 12 chain 3 spaces for this row. To start row 5, bring in your new color, attach it to any previous chain 3 space, and make 3 chains. Row 5 is where we're going to turn our circle into a square. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. So in this space, we're going to need 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet to establish the corner of our square. So I'm going to make 2 double crochet. So all together with those chains, it's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet all into the same space. And that's one corner of our square. Skip to the next chain space, make 3 half double crochet into that space. This is going to be the start of the side of our square. So that's 3 half double crochet. Make 1 chain, skip to this next chain space and make 3 half double crochet into that space. And that's going to be how our side is looking. 3 half double crochet, chain 1, and 3 half double crochet. We're ready to make another corner into this next space. 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into this same space for our corner. So you can see how these corners and that side is looking. We're going to start repeating from here for our new side. 3 half double crochet into this next chain space. Chain 1, 3 half double crochet into the next chain space. That's our next side. We're ready to make another corner. 3 half double crochet, chain 3, and 3 half double crochet. This is how our square is looking. We're ready to make our next side. 3 half double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 1, 3 half double crochet into the next chain space for our side. We're ready to make our next corner. 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet all into this next chain space. Now we're ready to make our last side. 3 half double crochet into the next chain space. Chain 1, and 3 half double crochet into this last chain space. Once you get back to the first corner that you made, you're going to slip stitch into those chains at the beginning of your row to complete row 5. So for our square, you're going to need 4 corners and 4 sides. And that is how to make my golden circle granny square. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.